Hi, I'm Jason Finselbach. I'm the General Manager at Sage Automation here in Brisbane. I joined Sage because I'm really excited about the concept of automating things and creating efficiencies for our clients. In the automation sector, we have opportunities to save energy, improve mobility and transportation, automate factories to become more efficient, and all of those things reduce cost and help the environment. In Queensland, we've got a team of engineers and service technicians. Everyone's here to help each other out. We're really collaborative, and we're here to service our clients as quickly as possible and execute our projects to the client's satisfaction to a high quality. Most of our work is in the water and food and beverage sectors for clients like Forex, Coca-Cola Amatil, also manufacturing, Caltex, JJ Richards. We have a lot of water work with SEQ Water, Queensland Urban Utilities, and we're obviously keen to do work for other utilities as well in that space. And we're also seeing a lot of opportunity in intelligent transport systems, which Sage is a front runner in that area, and energy. So renewable energy needs control systems to manage the different sources of generation, and we see ourselves as a leading provider of control systems in that growing sector as well. The culture at Sage is forward-thinking, collaborative, and customer-focused. We're growing in Queensland at Sage Automation, as we are nationally, and particularly we're always looking for good service technicians. That's trade, electrical trades people who have a automation skill or PLC SCADA skill, and also engineers, control systems engineers with a passion for automation, control systems. If you're interested in that exciting area, please contact Sage Automation.